Atomic model of the first 20 elements.
It has one proton in the nucleus and one electron in the K cell. It has no neutron. Thank you.
It is the atomic structure of helium. It has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Thank you.
This is 3D model of atomic structure lithium. It has 4 neutrons and 3 protons and 3 electrons. Thank you.
It is the atomic structure of beryllium. It has 4 protons, 5 neutron. Thank you.
This is the atomic structure of boron. The symbol of boron is B. It contains 6 neutrons, 5 protons and 6 electrons.
It is the atomic model of carbon. It contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. Thank you. It is the atomic structure of nitrogen. Its symbol is N. It contains 7 electrons, 7 protons and 7 neutrons. In first cell there is 2 electrons and second cell there is 5 electrons. Thank you.
This is the atomic structure of oxygen. It contains 8 electrons, 8 protons and 8 neutron. In the first cell there is 2 electrons and in the second cell there is 6 electrons.
This is the atomic structure of fluorine. It has protein 9, neutron 10 and electron 9. In first cell there is 2 electrons and in second cell there is 7 electrons. Thank you.
This is the atomic model of neon. It has 10 electrons, 10 proton and 10 neutron. In first cell there is 2 electrons and in second cell there is 8 electrons. It is the atomic structure of sodium. And in first cell there is 2 electrons. In second cell 8 and in last one 11 electron, 11 proton and 12 neutron.
This is the atomic structure of magnesium. In its nucleus, it has 12 protons and 12 neutrons. In the first cell, it has 2 electrons. In the second cell, it has 8 electrons. And in the third cell, it has 2 electrons. Thank you.
This is the atomic structure of aluminium. In its nucleus, it has 13 proton and 14 neutron. In first cell, it has 2 electrons. In second, it has 8 electrons, and in last cell it has 3 electrons.
This is the atomic structure of silicon. In first cell there is 2 electrons. In second cell it has 8 electrons. In third cell it has 4 electrons. In the nucleus there is 14 neutrons and 14 protons.
This is the atomic structure of phosphorus. It has 15 protons, 15 electrons and 16 neutrons. At the first cell it has 2 electrons. At the second cell it has 8 electrons, and at the third cell it has 5 electrons.
This is the atomic structure of sulfur. Its symbol is S. It has 16 electrons, it has 16 protons, and it has 16 neutrons.
This is the atomic structure of chlorine. The symbol of chlorine is Cl. It has 17 electrons, 17 protons and 18 neutrons. In first orbit there are 2 electrons. In second orbit there are 8 electrons. In third orbit there are 7 electrons.
Here you can see this is the atomic model of argon. In argon there is 22 neutron, 18 proton and 18 electrons. In first orbit there is 2 electrons, and second orbit there are 8 electrons, and third orbit there is also 8 electrons. Thank you.
This is the atomic model of potassium. In the symbol of potassium is K. It has 19 electrons, 19 proton and 20 neutrons. In first orbit there are 2 electrons. In second orbit there are 8 electrons. In third orbit there are 8 electrons. In last orbit there is 1 electron.
Hello guys, this is the model of calcium. The atomic number of calcium is 20 and the number of electron, proton and neutrons are 20. The calcium consists of 20. It consists in the group of second, and the period of calcium is 4.